dog that greeted us yesterday
Yeah.
came over to us when you were in your meeting. He just wanders over,
How you doing?
says hi.
Which one?
The one that greeted us in the...
Oh,
as we
the
were
old
coming
one.
in.
Yeah.
And the lady at the camper was talking to me. And she says, he should be fine. You know, just never know. Most of the time he's pretty good. He just wanders, looks for food. People feed him.
So I'm guessing we're gonna be. This is the pullover.
Which one is our neighbor?
Maybe not. Oh, he's.
Oops.
Side mirrors.
There's a pile of sticks. Say hi.
Hi. We're lost in Connecticut. Again. Day 2.
Oh, we found people.
But no Dunkin' Donuts. There are no donuts for miles.
The search goes on.
Very sneaky.
Wow, that's an old... Oh, maybe not. It just looked like it. That rock right there. Uh-huh.
Oh, there's gonna be a big
Yep.
bump on my side.
Yep.
Uh,
Yeah. Ooh.
That's not so bad.
I know, it looked difficult when we were watching the other ones. And I can't get...
Oh, I thought it was going to be scarier than it is. Just a hill.
Just a hill. Okay. Snap a tree branch. That's a big one. Whoa. This one. Whoa. Oh.
Big rock.
Wow, this really is rocky road.